Hey everybody. Let's see. Where do we leave off? Tomorrow's the Egg Festival. Fix that. If that's better. Well, that's way off. Can't see it that good from here. Okay, I think that's good. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Goodness, I don't need that tall. There we go. Okay. I think we got it fixed. We don't have any oak yet. Oh, we do have oak resin. Guess we could grab them. Let's put the mushrooms in here. I do not have my keyboard in the right spot. There we go. Let's see how it's looking in here. Alright, we got all of our trees. Okay, that one's not completely in yet. That one is. These have still got a few. We are getting there. We're gonna go ahead and water that. Wait till it grows, and then we'll get them all at one time. Another dragon's tooth. We have been so lucky with those. Alright, trash. Do we have anything? Yeah. Alright, let's go put all this in here. I don't need to carry all this around. Well, how did it not? Oh, never mind. My fault. I didn't put those in there. Before we make any more, we're going to go check and see how many we need, because I cannot remember. Okay, our cat is sleeping there, so I'm not fighting the cat to get through. We'll try here. I have some eggs. Not much milk today. Oh, not as much as I thought. Okay. Let's see what we want to sell. We'll sell the gold of that one and keep those. I know we're gonna make more, but I won't keep those. Let's see what it's looking like in here. Hi, Alana. How are you? Welcome in, ma'am. I don't know how they keep getting locked in there, because I gave up on the gate. Let's see. We got enough for one. We're just gonna go. Really? Any other time, they wouldn't be standing there. Let's sell all this. See how this is looking. Okay, nothing is ready, so we're not going to have to worry about getting anything. We'll stick this fish in here. Guess now we go check Ginger Island. Actually, first, let's check the quarry and see what we need. We need, what, 6 of those. Okay. And then we need 26 of those. Go check Ginger Island real quick. Nothing is done over here today. Okay. That's all we need to know. So we need 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, 6. Or was it copper? I don't know. We're gonna be ready either way. Copper. Okay. We can only do 2 of those because I guess of the coal. Don't really want to pull that coal out of there either. So alright. That means we're gonna have 30 of these bad boys ready. So let's go ahead and we'll take blueberries for now because we have ancient fruit, but it's not enough yet to spread out that far. Okay, so all we have left are those to finish. But we have got to find a way to get coal. He's not there on Friday, right? He's at the community center. Okay. Our little mushrooms just coming along. There, our trees are all done again. Let's go ahead and go up here and get this stuff again. The truffles I'm not really worried about. We'll worry about those later. Our little silkworm. No, I don't want to eat it. I'd like to sell it, please. What are you? Clay. Okay. Can't be mad at that. We could take these trees down again. But I feel like we don't really need to take them down unless we're ready and need them. I don't think there's anything we can really get rid of. Other than the fact we really need to start cooking. We haven't been doing that. When will our kale be done? Our potato juice is working now, isn't it? Yeah. Which one we got on kale? 2 days. No, wait. Carrot seeds. And then resources. I got a gems. I think we have a few. Yeah, very few though. So let's go to the mines real quick. Okay. Let's put those here. We're not gonna be able to spend much time over here. Check all our treasure floors. Let's see what we got today. Cowboy hat. Alright. Scene maker. Not as a big deal as it was, but okay. Let's go 300. Iridium sprinklers. Potato seeds. Fitting for our potato farm. And some purple slime eggs. Okay, so let's see. Don't need those. Two in there. Seeds. And then we'll just go miscellaneous and throw this hat in there for now. There's a lot of things we do need, but right now we're just going to focus on trying to finish the stuff for the Avengers Guild. Okay, what's left? Oh, okay. We had to wait on one of them to show up. But that's okay, because we needed serpents, I believe. But we also need some pepper eggs. Eat a crab cake. Now get our energy back up. I'm hoping to find a ladder and not have to go all the way around. It's not looking too good so far. Oh, we found one. Look a little extra. Well, there's a ladder. This looks like some good material, so we're gonna... this. Ooh, prismatic shard in that. Can't complain. Auto grabber. Alright. Let's put that in the chest with the hay. We have 2 of those now. Plus an extra auto petter. So if we decide to get another building, we are in good shape. And there's the ladder. I don't know why I'm breaking all that. We're not needing it to get through. On this one, we just need to break what we need to move around. Okay. We've already finished the skeletons, so I'm not worried about getting all them. Red mushroom, we'll take it. Quartz, we'll take that. Oh, I did not see you fly over me. There's something so satisfying about breaking all those boxes when they're all stacked together like that. Let's go to gems. They're out. Okay. Yeah, we found a ladder on our first try. I'm not going to complain about that. I don't see anything exciting, so... Ooh. Yes. Always down for those, because we'll go further. Mummies. see anything extra. Goodness. Can't move. We'll start here. Nope. Nothing there. Oh, there's a ladder over there. Gotta learn to walk it first. Okay, I don't see anything. We've been all the way around, so let's... Nope. Okay. Okay, cool. We'll take that. We'll take that as a win. Oh, great. In with the pickaxe. Oh, yes, coal. Second reason for me here. Oh, it is midnight. Okay, we'll just start back at 400 tomorrow. Need the mines. Could we have took the mine cart and got closer to the farm? Yes. Did we? No. Okay, I could have left the bus with a little bit of speed. You got vanilla action going there. Alright, let's go to bed. We'll worry about emptying our pockets tomorrow. Okay, an iron bar from Clint. We'll take that. Carrots are done. Our pockets are full. Okay. Let's see how much we can empty from here. Resources. Miscellaneous. And food. Fishing, because we've got some algae. Okay. That also goes in there. That goes in there. Now we can get the rest of these. Still have time to plant some more, so we're going to plant some more. Okay, not quite enough. You're saying I know we got some regulars somewhere. I'd rather sell the higher quality. Okay. Right. I think one right there should be it. Those away and let's sell these higher ones. Go and stick these in the Geo Crusher. those in there. Stay off the bombs today and not do what we did yesterday. Okay. Yesterday we had to restart the day because we blew up most of our shed. We're not trying to do that today. Battery. Iridium. Slime will go in slime hutch. Actually, we might need to put some slime in here. Oh no, we have 400 in there. We're good. Alright, let's go grab some eggs. Get our little silky worm. I don't know why he makes random noises throughout the day. I guess it's the same thing as like cows and stuff. Excuse me. Yeah, we know. Okay. I know we have some truffles somewhere. We got that, so we'll put that on there. Throw you in there, that's fine. Okay. Out of here. Maybe. Let's peek at how our ancient fruit's looking. Alright, that one is completely filled. That one's completely filled. This one's starting. So we're getting there. Our kale, no. Kale is ready tomorrow. Let's go play in the mines some more. Kinda quiet. Where are all the enemies at? Makes you wonder when it's really quiet. Spoke too soon. Gotta get somewhere enough that I can switch over to my sword. Come grab all this. Come on, where'd you go? Saw you. Yeah, well, there's our ladder, so. Glad for that. You go that way. Oh, of course, I had to hit the bug on the way by there. Nothing there, so we'll set one here. Goodness! Came at us, didn't they? Down here. There's the ladder. Come on. I love how it gives you a second ladder right behind the ladder when you kill one of them. We're getting pretty lucky with the ladders already being out today. Not mad about that. Conserving our bombs. Yeah, there's a ladder, but we're gonna go all the way up. Because we know floors like this, there's always one at the very top. Not much on this floor at all. Hoping for another Pepper Rex floor so we can finish those. I don't need to kill you, so there's no point. Might as well gather up the supplies as it happens. Look at this. Ooh, we can get away from there. Ooh, prismatic shard. We'll take that, because I want to go and enchant some of our tools. Ah! I walked right into that. Didn't even try to fight it. Okay, now let me just hit all the keys. All of them. There we go. Oh, sorry. Turn the brightness back up. Saw you that time. Okay. Hate wasting all the bombs. If you get in front of the pickaxe, I'm taking you out. I'm not even trying. I know that we got some. Go. But it's such a waste to use the bombs when there's only like 4 or 5 little stones around in an area. We'll get the diamonds. Or, we won't get the diamonds because our pockets are full. Hold on. Yeah. Let's check first before we use a bomb. Sure there's no ladders out nowhere. so no ladder over here. We'll try one up here. Come on. That's enough. Ah! I'm here. Thank you. Here's our jade. Now there could be a ladder hiding somewhere, but... on that side. I just want to get these boxes, because you never know what's in them. Sometimes they're good stuff. Before we start blowing things up really, really heavy, you need to make sure there's not a ladder around. Not seeing one. Set off a bomb right here. Ooh. There's a shard and a shaft. Alright. 5 floors. We will take it. Why do I take out the mummy? I don't know. It's not like I really need to take out the mummy. Not at this point, anyway. I'm gonna say serpents get ready to take us out. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, not there. Let's try this little area. Maybe. Okay, fine. There's not one there either. One of those life elixirs. Of course. All the way down here. We avoided all the bugs. I think we did pretty good. We have 1 bomb left after this. Which it's 9 o'clock, so don't have a lot of time left. There we go. Ugh. Quartz. Fire quartz, yes. We're not gonna go any further than this tonight, but we can see what's on this floor. We found absolutely no pepper ricks today. Said we weren't gonna go any further, but there's a ladder. So why not? Good, because there's another coal spot, so that's good. Hi, butterfly! Welcome in. Ooh. Shaft. Alright. Let's make sure there's nothing too exciting over here. See how many we can go. 8. Oh, because we ended up on even. The life elixir. Alright, let's go back to the farm. We did not find any pepper ricks today. I am good. How are you this evening? We're gonna be smart. Use the mod to our advantage and go back to the farm. Here, we'll grab those diamonds. I don't want to make anything. I just want to put stuff away. We're going to put you away for now. Because we're not trying to blow ourselves up. We did that yesterday. We don't need that again today. Wait, I opened it to put these in there. This in there. We need to take some of those to Clint and go ahead and get him to open them. We don't really need them. We finished the museum, but still can't hurt to open them and make a little money off of them. Okay. See what's in the mail. Fertilizer. Calico Desert Festival tomorrow. It starts tomorrow. Cool. It did say tomorrow, right? Yeah. Cool, that means it'll by default will be in the mines anyway, so. Did we need all of this kale? Absolutely not. Did we grow it anyway? Yes. What did we need? Kale, pickled kale. Okay, so we'll start that process. We only needed one technically at the moment, but grab all this row. You away. Let's see. 11, 16. We might have enough. That's 14. That's 25, 30, 5, 60, 70, 80, 39, 41. That should be perfectly enough. We'll see how good we did with our calculations. Oh, we're out of that stack. Out of that one too. These little stacks will mess me up because I'll be on a good rhythm and then I don't have any product left. Okay, we calculated that wrong by one. Not too bad. I don't see any not moving, so I think we got them all. Okay. He's a little fox. Oh, we didn't get these carrots. Gotta figure out what we want to plant in these spots. Potatoes take 6 days. We could do those and the carrots. We'll convert these real quick too. Because we're gonna put corn out for the next one anyway. Definitely nowhere near enough crops. Let's see if we have anything. It definitely gave us more potatoes than I was really worried about, but... Okay. Let's convert these. We'll go ahead and plant this first. I know we're not going to have enough for all this. That would have driven me crazy if I'd have left that one. Okay, let's see, more carrots. That wasn't enough either. Guess we should have just processed all of them. Okay, I don't think we missed anything else, right? Good. Put those away for now. Check in here. Nothing. Those are still growing. That's how this is looking. Got 2 full sections, and this one's starting. Other than stuff you don't like, no. Anything with a lot of dairy in it today? We've really got to get you some of those peels. Oh, our mushroom trees are done. Aren't they cute? Look. There's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we'll put tappers on those just for fun. What do we need? Hopper bars. Definitely don't have enough of those. Hold on. Okay. We have 4. So to make 8 more, we need 2, 4, 6. 16 more bars? Okay. Right now, we're just gonna stick these in here until we get enough made. Ooh, I know something else. We can rush this along. Why not? I'm impatient. Have it, we might as well use it, right? Take this. Book of Stars. Okay. I haven't cleared this out in a while. This little spot is so great early game for having like a little small thing of resources. It won't give you everything, but it'll give you a little bit in the beginning to help you get started. Okay, so we have 7 now. Need 3 more. Let's do these. Bad when you run so fast by it that it doesn't register you. Let's put this one away too. And just because we haven't, let's see what the joke is today. Have you heard the story about the magic tractor? It drove down the road and turned into a field. That was kind of fitting for our stream though. So. Need what, 3? What are we out of now? Probably wood. Goodness gracious. Okay. If it's a joke about potatoes or anything like farm related, it's perfect. Okay. We need wood. I said I wasn't going to cut these down yet, but here we are. Let's chop up the flooring too while we're at it. Good idea. Okay, we just chopped down a row. Made 8. We need 2 more. Okay, we have those now. What are we out of? Fiber? Oh my goodness. Is that all the fiber we have? Okay. Guess we won't be fertilizing the trees this time. Right? Now, why didn't we take the tappers with us? We just did that purely because they're kind of cute and might as well get something out of them. I'd fertilize these, but we don't have enough fiber. Which means we need to start looking into fiber seeds, which is mixed seeds clay. Okay. Let's bring in our mixed seeds. And a stack of sap. This isn't where this goes, but this is where it's going for this. Okay. So as soon as we have spots, that's what we're going to start planting next. I said corn, I know, but we really could use the fiber. So. We're going to put those in there. As soon as some of this comes up, which carrots come up in like 3 days, we can start putting fiber down in those spots. I think it'll be good. No. Goodness. We'll run you. Did we collect from animals today? I don't know. We need to check that, because I'm kind of thinking we didn't. But we could have. Okay, put that back. Because... let's see. No, we didn't. I was wondering, because I was like, we had nothing in the chest when we pulled those off the machines. Now, on Saturdays, I'm used to going in there and nothing being on the chest. I don't know what that glitch of them cows, like, jerking was, but okay. Don't need those. That away. And we can access here. We'll go. Better late than never, right? Yeah, it is Haley. Double checking. Okay. Better late than never. Right? At least we remembered. I think that's everything tonight. Let's make sure. Yep, all those are still running. We haven't checked the quarry either. I guess that needs to be a goal for in the morning, is to check the quarry. Cause yeah, because if we check it tonight and it's ready, we're gonna want to try and change it, and then it's gonna be too late, and we're gonna pause. We're pass out. It's best just to wait and look tomorrow. Not gonna do that. I'll take it. Thank you. Money, great. Alright, let's go check this real quick. Oh. Okay, only those were ready, but still. Let's see. What do we want to run? We have plenty of blueberries, and I do mean plenty of blueberries. I did not see that one left there. Okay. Those have 3 days. Those have 8 hours. Those have... Okay. Those will probably be done tonight. Why did I leave those 2 little cactus fruits? I don't know. I probably should have just took them up and put ancient fruit there too, but... Oh my gosh, click the tree and not try to eat what's in your hand. There we go. Oh. I know, right? I talk junk to her like I don't control her. But if she doesn't do what I want to do, I blame it on her. She should have known what I wanted her to do. I'll never forget, I started playing this, and I was trying to do what I'm doing now, like extra eggs and preserve jars, and made a bunch of these, thinking it was the preserve jars, because, I mean, let's be honest, at glance, they look similar. Then I had a bunch of casks, and had no need for all that. Okay, they're starting to grow. Guess we'll go check on the animals. Right? It's fun to look back on, like, the crazy little mistakes and things that you made. I know there's no wrong way to play the game, but everybody's got these little things of, I wish I hadn't done that, or wish I hadn't known that. Thank you, ma'am. This is my favorite farm layout in general, because you can do this so easily. Can you do my farm? Hey, it would not be the first time somebody's added a cabin just for me to go on their farm and do stuff. I'm acting like I'm out of machines. Not what I wanted. I wanted to pick that up. Those in there. What else do we need? A couple of these and that. And I guess we need to go to the desert. Yeah, Ella added a cabin just for me to go in there and help her organize. For like chests and stuff, because everything was everywhere. I love that it takes the minecart away during the desert festival, but yet you show up in there anyway. Let's see what our free one is this year. Cool. I don't know if I want to challenge myself to do like an outfit this time. I'm kind of not too mad at our outfit we have. Sure. Let's see if we can catch him some sandfish. Oh, she got the hiccup there moving. Alright, what do we got today? 10 serpents are reach level 30. Sure. How full are our pockets? Not too bad, I don't think. I think we'll be okay. No, we gotta start this the old-fashioned way. I mean, yeah, I could cheat and just, go straight to 30, but I don't like doing that. How are you this evening, ma'am? No effect. Okay, well, fine. I'm doing good. Ooh. Oh, this is where you wish you had the bombs. I don't want the bug, I just want the coal. Look, I don't need to kill the slimes, but if they're in my way, they get in between me and my pickaxe, that's their fault. More monsters. Sure, that's what we wanted. Oh gosh, we'll be here forever. Looking for ladders. We've gotten pretty lucky so far. And when we hit them with the axe or the pickaxe, because then they don't die right away. Okay, that's 2. We've done that too. Come on, come back. Let's see what this one says. Monsters do more damage. I didn't need that. They do enough in here. refresh. Good, because I don't need that again. Oh, we found one, so let's use it. That looks like a good area to use it in. Ooh, it gave us a ladder, too. How do you get a full refresh from a full refresh? What does that do? Not quite sure how that works, but okay. Appreciate it. Oh my goodness. Oh, no, no, no. We're halfway there, y'all. Oh, we just finished the serpents, so now all we have is the Pepper Rex left. More ghosts. Oh. Wasn't joking. Fine. Ain't time for you. Unfortunately, we have to take out the slimes on this level so we can get past it. At least they don't hurt us, though, so... No effect. Right. I am so sorry, slimes. You got in the way. Oh boy, they really didn't want us to get out of that situation. Pockets are full. Okay, let's go here and let's go gems. Full refresh. Cool. Okay, nothing in there. Can we do this? I hope so. Oh, good grief. Okay, hold on. I'm like, let me get one. Oh, good gosh! Thought I got out of it with the ghost and then swarmed by bats. Oh, yeah, I have to take you out. Sorry. Could give me some Pepper Rex on some of these floors would be greatly appreciated, but it's not gonna happen. I panicked and took out everything. Okay. Get furnace and clear these two. That'll help. I just want to see. What does it say? No effect. Oh, fine then. $100 calico eggs. I'll take that. Finally, a reward of it. Thank you. what Pepper Rex for. Thank you for finally answering me. Probably won't be enough, but... at least it's a start. Getting us closer to the goal. Our pockets full again? Wait, let's switch to gems. Yep, leave the mines. Oh, we need to turn those off too. We already did those. Yes, my rating of 20. Thank you. Do you sell anything good? Sell mega bombs. We could use those for later. You can use those for tomorrow's adventures. I don't want to do that again. Alright. It's 9:30. Let's just see what they have out of curiosity. Nothing at that one we needed. And nothing we needed at that one. So it was perfect timing to use them. I'm fine with that. I feel like there's some forage. Let's see. Frog, that one goes in there. Forage. Food. Let's go in here. Grab you. Go away. No. Put you away. There was 2 of these. And we got 3 dino eggs out of that situation. Not complain about that. That's what I put in there. I was trying to figure. I swore I put that somewhere. Instead of selling it. Excuse me. Okay. We accomplished something today. That's all that matters. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end it here. For one, I can't get rid of this little tickle. I know it's all this pollen. But I appreciate everybody hanging out, chit-chatting, the likes, the follows. I will see y'all again Monday for the start of our birthday week stream with our full day stream on Saturday for my birthday. So I will see y'all to start that out Monday at 11 Eastern Standard Time, and we'll have fun and celebrate all week. Bye, Butterfly. I hope you have a good Sunday too. I'm gonna try and get everything set up for next week tomorrow, so that I'm not doing it at the last minute Monday, because I'm bad for that. So, but I will see y'all next time. Let me run credits for those on the purple app as soon as I play our outro, if it'll pull tonight. She's being slow. Let me close the game first, because that playing in the background with that is just weird. I didn't change our frame for this one. I changed the frame on our other one.
So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I said so long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again.
Alright, and I'm going to run credits for y'all, and I will see y'all Monday.